Hey guys, it's me, Lily, and today I'm going to be showing you how to email MSP or contact MSP, and it's pretty easy. By the way, ignore this. It's because this girl decided to scam me. You can go and report her if you want. I have a video of proof that she scammed me, by the way. Okay, so you can also friend me. My name is Lily with the little heart sign right there. So yeah, and now I am going to show you how to email this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to type in movie star. Just type in MovieStarPlanet Help Center. Now you want to click the Help Center, and you want to search up, or you can just click if it says it, but you want to search up MovieStarPlanet support. Then you want to scroll all the way down, and you have to fill out a contact form. So click the contact form. Also, they should answer this within like a day. And basically just fill this out. I'm filling it out because I got scammed, and I got scammed by the girl. Anyways, you want to fill all this out and then just add any attachments. And after you do that, you can just wait like a day and they should reply to you. And also, this is a good way to get unlocked and or have any questions answered. They will definitely answer them within a day. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, I do have somebody that I want to show you on here, so you can stick around, but if you don't really care, because it's okay, I'm not forcing you, but if you don't really care, you can click off now. Please leave this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe, though, if you're leaving right now. And yeah, but anyways, if you're staying, I'm going to show you who I'm trying to show you. Anyways, this is, don't believe that's not her backup account, by the way. Anyways, this is my cousin's account, and she's really funny, really sweet, so I would go friend her, all that jazz. Yeah, she also said that for me because we were actually on the phone when it happened. So yeah, well, not really when it happened, but after it happened. Also, if you hear something in the background, it's my cat. Anyways, bye guys. Thank you for watching.